We are going to go on an adventure. Going to go to Big Brutus and check that out, have some lunch, do some fun things. We are off on our adventure. I've been to Big Brutus before, but Missy's never been there. And last time I went there it was kind of cold, so today's a lot better day for it. I keep saying that I'm going to do a review on this motorcycle, and I just keep forgetting. I really need to do that. I haven't been keeping up on my videos lately because I've been so busy with work, you know, working 55 plus hours a week, and then by the time I get home I'm just too tired to do anything. And today I almost didn't even do anything, but I decided we needed to go out of the house and do an adventure. I like having a power windshield. It's really nice. And when I'm in town, I like to feel the wind in my face, but when I'm going over 45, it's kind of nice to have a windshield so that I can not have my head all bouncing around. Okay, I don't have anything else intelligent to say at the moment, so I'm going to go ahead and listen to my podcast. Welcome to Kansas. It's been months now, driving you crazy. That's really good. I should stop and get a drone shot of that. this back behind us is Big Brutus. It is actually the main attraction. Years ago they used to let you go all the way up into the bucket or the tower, but they don't anymore for insurance liability reasons. Apparently somebody did something stupid up there. So I've been doing a whole lot of felling in this, but I've been trying to have more adventures while we're somewhat young, so that when we're old we don't stop and think, man, we should have done more. And so we've been trying hard at that, and with various levels of success. So I consider today a win.
Yay!
If you've ever played BioShock, this looks like one of the machines or one of their hands on BioShock. So this was the controls of this contraption here. I have to say that with all the engine and stuff running while you're inside that thing, it must have been loud.
It would be frightfully loud in here because this slide.
Oh, dude!
You know, as loud as the other one would have been, this one would have even been louder because you're sitting 6 inches from all that machinery and in a small enclosed area. And they probably didn't wear earplugs or anything, so they probably all went deaf. I'm pretty sure this one wasn't here last time I was here. Okay, it definitely wasn't here last time I was here. There were some real industrious people. This unit here was homemade by somebody from parts they bought at a scrapyard. Not sure if I'm getting that big old spider there or not. I don't know, I think we could drive our car into that shovel.
Probably.
If I remember correctly, I think it said this held 70 tons of material. That is a lot of weight. Sign over here says that these crawlers propelled this machine at 0.22 miles per hour. Don't you think this was more gooder than just sitting at home?
Yes, definitely.
More gooder?
More gooder.
What did you rename it?
The Spinnerator.
Maybe there's something wrong with me, but I can't help but think this would be a good setting for like a horror movie or something. These are some huge cables. This is the control room for the whole thing. Whenever you see a sign like that, you know that somebody did something stupid and the insurance company said, that's it, we're not paying for any more claims, close it. She didn't even have to duck.
The stairs aren't. I kind of got scared and then I was like, oh wait,
And maybe the bucket go like this, and then we do it the other way.
So what do you think of our adventure so far?
So far, so good. Let's see what else we come up with.
Almost to the food portion of our adventure.
Ooh, I like food.
How do the douchey YouTube thing? Well, the food was good. Once they finally got us some silverware, we were happy. Now I guess we'll go home and probably not get in any more shenanigans. Probably just go home and call it a day. Normally get premium, but it looks like regular is all they got. Welcome to Missouri. Well, we made it home. It was a good adventure. We need to take more adventures before the summer is over. Yeah, hope she enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you're seeing this on a Sunday, then that means that I actually edited it and posted it at a reasonable time instead of waiting 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you would click like. And if you're not subscribed already, I would appreciate it if you would do that as well. Ride safe, have fun, and I'll catch you in the next video.